Hey everybody, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. One Piece split portrait. Today we're going to do Luffy and Zoro split portrait. So, I'm on a landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. I have split my page in half already. So, I missed a bit up here. It's my tape. I have sellotape on top of it. Never goes on top properly. But I've split mine in half, so you could do that now. You need a ruler and just measure, divide in half, right? We're going to start with Luffy over this side and then do Zoro on the left. So we're going to start with his eyebrow. So we got like this tick here around the center point, right? You're just going to tick it up around like that. Right? And you can like thicken up maybe a little bit just down here. And sometimes, they add some hatching and stuff. It's Wano style Luffy. So I love the animation style in Wano. They really up their game. So then his eye underneath, right? So it's a circular eye, right? So you can just see a line here. There. It's kind of disconnected. And it goes around, but roughly it's a circle basically. And then his eye, pupil, just black. Here. Luffy has grey eyes, as far as I know sometimes, but sometimes they do it black. It's not consistent, so we'll just do it black. And then his scar. Like that, you already know it's Luffy. So we got some nose lines, so like here. And then a nostril just down there. His mouth, so he's real big, smiling mouth right close to his scar. And then it comes down to there. And then, so he's got, that thing that sticks out of his mouth. I don't know, it's like a piece of straw. So say the teeth here, it's in between his teeth. So the teeth just come across, teeth line, and then that little piece of straw just sticking out here. Back. Like so. And there's bottom lip line there. And then his chin here. So roughly, say to top of his eye there to his nostril, about the same as nostril to chin. So say it's like this point, so like the nostril level will bring you down to his chin, right? So that nostril is halfway between here and here, right? So here to here, about the same as there to there. Rough, but that's the approximate. Not much proportion going on in one piece, but it's roughly that, right? So then his jaw, just jump over this piece of straw and we go up to here. We meet like a sideburn here, so there's like a black piece of hair like that, and then his ear comes around, the sideburn becomes the ear, like so. So you'll see now the earlobe lines up with the nostril, top of the ear, roughly with top of the eyebrow, like that. And then lines inside the ear. So we go just around like this. This is the way they do it in One Piece. Back into there. And something else inside. Like so. And then hair spikes coming around his fringe then. Like that. And then some more coming out from behind his ear. So it goes sort of this way. And then his kimono and the string for like his hat, right? So the string is like, we've got half of it here. And then that comes around his neck. Just jump over this. And it does have like some little texture lines on it. Right, and then his kimono goes across underneath that. Kind of crisscross here, out from behind his neck. Fold lines, and his shoulder just goes off down this way. And then he's got like that patch, that sort of blue patch that's like stitched on. Like so. And then like fold lines and things. There's like a blue circle there, another fold line, and 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. And then we can see like his hat just hanging on the back of his thing here. There. Some texture on it. Like that. Right, that's Luffy. We'll go over and do Zoro. So their eyebrows line up. Their mouths are a little bit different, and the chins kind of line up, I think. So we've got the eyes and the chin, so we're roughly lined up. So his eyebrow just here kind of ticks up, more of an angle to it and down, right? Kind of like that. You can thicken it up a little bit. And then his eye underneath that, so a slender eye, not a round eye. Spikes back like so. Bottom eyelid comes around here. And there's like some eyelid lines, so like some lines just on top there. Another line there. And then his lines around his eye here. And his iris, so he's kind of looking up at us. Like so. Like that. Another line here. So frown lines kind of here. Right, and then, so his nose is lower down, right? So his nostril kind of lines up with Luffy's top lip. Luffy's smile is kind of bigger than Zoro's. And then we got a nose line just here. So then Zoro's smile starts here. And then this goes down to there. And then we can see another teeth sort of line there. Bottom lip lines up with Luffy's bottom teeth. And then his chin roughly in the same spot, the chin. Just there, maybe a little bit lower. And then jaw comes up to there. Just darkening up his eyelid line there. Right, so here we have a sideburn, right, long sort of sideburn coming right from the top of his hair, and then goes up that way. And then, like Luffy, sideburn becomes ear. Top of the ear lines up with top of the eyebrow, lines up with the bottom of his nose roughly. And there's like some sideburn lines here. Ear lines again inside. That kind of thing. And then his hairline. So yeah, it's relatively straight. You might have like some zigzags a little bit to get us started, but then it goes that side, back in. And then we have like some fringe lines sticking down. Like so. And he's aligned for the sort of temples on the side of his head. And there's some texture lines on his sideburns there. Something else here. And then hair spikes that go the whole way around. And they're smaller than Luffy's now. So they're just like these little shark fins, you know, just going in just different directions. I'm not being too careful about it, just going for it. Right, goes up and off my page, and then there's some texture in here. Like that. Right, and then his kimono out from behind his ear, down that way. And then we got a collarbone just in here, neck muscle line there, and then center line for his chest is kind of there. And then his shoulder out from behind his head, down off the page that way. He's got a collar here, full line there. So it's navy, and then there's like a green. So this is like green, navy, and a different color green. So there's like a sun or something on his shoulder. Right, and then this has sun rays. Sort of like that. And you can't see his earring because it's on that ear. But that's it. That's how to draw Luffy and Zoro split portrait. Hope it's helpful, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.